Hi, we're the team at WHOW Aesthetics, and we wanted to open up some wonderful gifts that we got from our friends at WHOW Skin Health.
Yeah, so Christine, our rep, gave us this nice little package that we're going to open up, and we're just going to talk about them. This is the skincare line that we carry at WHOW, and it's very important to understand why your skin health is so important, and we're just going to kind of talk about that along with some of these products.
Okay, let's go.
So the first product is our Daily Power Defense.
An all-time favorite. It's actually our bestseller.
You can see it behind Shannon here on our little bestseller plaque.
Mm-hmm. So Daily Power Defense is very important because it is excellent for maintaining your skin barrier.
It contains vitamin A and E, defends against premature aging, and reduces redness.
Protects against those free radicals out in the environment, protects your skin from that.
And we know that our environment, especially right now at this point in time, is very harsh on our skin. So very important to protect it.
All right, next up.
Next up is
Yeah.
Exfoliation Accelerator.
Yes. Very good to use in the acne protocol.
Yeah, okay.
Dun, dun, dun. All right, next we have Gentle Cleanser.
For all skins.
All skin types. This is great for, especially if you like bubbles.
Yes, and right after, for some people, right after their procedures, they can also use it because it's very gentle.
Perfect.
And
so if you're coming in for any of those ablative procedures and you need something that's going to be really gentle on your skin afterwards, we have something right here in office for you.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and people that suffer with redness too, it really helps, you know.
Dual Action Scrub. This is a great one. This one helps turn over skin faster, and another great adjunct to your acne care.
Yes. So this one, you can actually use it on your body too. So if you have acne on your back, and so it's very good to use for that. It has a lactic acid and salicylic acid that destroys that acne bacteria, reducing inflammation and dissolving and removing excess oil.
We love some good topical acids.
Oh yeah.
Exactly. When you're managing acne, there's 4 basic things that we want to manage, and so this will help keep the bacteria down. This will help keep your pore size small, keep that sebum production down, and turn the skin over faster. So you're addressing all those 4 things.
Yeah, the key one too is it destroys that bacteria. So
yeah,
that's really good.
Hydrating cream. Oh my
So
gosh.
this is great over here with the Gentle Cleanser for post-care things.
Yes.
If you are doing aggressive skincare or aggressive treatments, this is perfect for your post-care.
Anyone who is peeled with some tretinoin, you know, and that is the perfect to get some moisture back into your skin, some hydration, make sure that we're getting all of those little skin cells plumped back up.
Yeah, I think one of the best things about this line is that you can take out having to worry about what's in your products.
Yes, absolutely.
When you go to the store, it's overwhelming.
Absolutely.
All right,
Oh, there's more.
There's more.
There's more. Okay,
They're very, very generous with us.
All right. Okay. Complexion renewal pads.
Oh my goodness, it's like magic in a little pot. They're so good. Absolutely, they're gonna keep your oil down. They're gonna keep everything even. It is the perfect toner for someone who just wants like everything in one.
And to maintain pore size, excellent for that. So if you can even sense a breakout coming or it's like under the skin, you can start using those and the thing will just disappear.
Absolutely.
So that's a beautiful one. And then the last one, Heidi. Last one.
All right, eye brightening cream. And with this, you want to think about the 2 P's. So you're going to think about pigmentation and puffiness.
And lots of people complain about those bags under your eyes and that dark circles. And so this is a great, great product to address both of those things. And you know,
because when you're dealing with things with your face too, a lot of people treat their face, but they forget about the under eye.
Right.
The under eye is extremely important.
Exactly. Most of those products that you're using that are more aggressive can't go underneath your eyes.
Exactly.
And so it's absolutely amazing that WHOW creates not just 1, but 3 different products that are targeted to your concerns underneath your eyes.
And Christina's going to love you. Yeah.
I know.
I love that. All right.
All righty.
Well, thank you so much to Zoe and to Christina.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, thank you,
we love you.